Start, sir.
Yes, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Sir, Naresh, sir, can you please confirm me once? Am I clear, my audio and all?
Yes, madam.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. So, good evening, all respected dignitaries, esteemed resource person, and chief guest of today's session, dear faculty members, deans of various bodies, head of the departments, and my dear colleagues. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the fifth day and a final day of our faculty development program. Over the past few days, this FDP has been a wonderful platform for learning, interaction, and upskilling ourselves in teaching learning process as well as research in the area with help of AI tools and different kind of applications. Today's session is indeed a special one as we are honored to have a distinguished academician, researchers, and administrator with us. It is my proud privilege to introduce and invite Dr. K. Nagaraj Garu, AIT DM, Kurnool, who is joining us today as a chief guest as well resource person for the fifth day of faculty development program session. Dr. Nagaraj Garu is highly respected academician with rich experience in teaching learning process as well institution development. His contributions to the higher education, research guidance, and academic leadership have been truly commendable. Before we request to take the session by the Dr. Nagaraj sir, I would like to invite Mr. Roshan sir to kindly read out the brief profile of our esteemed chief guest and resource person of Dr. K. Nagaraj garu. Roshan sir, over to you.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Good morning, good evening to all. It is my privilege to introduce today's resource person, Dr. Nagaraju K. Dr. Nagaraju K is an accomplished academic and researcher currently serving as an assistant professor, grade 1 at AIT DM Kurnool. So where he brings over 17 years of expertise in teaching and research. He earned his PhD in computer science and engineering from NIT Calicut in 2020, complementing his academic journey with an MTech in CSE from ANU Guntur 2009 and a BTech in CSE from JNTU Hyderabad 2004. Dr. Nagaraju began his teaching career at Rajiv Gandhi Memorial College of Engineering and Technology, where he served from 2004 to 2013. During this time, he played a vital role in imparting quality education, mentoring students, and contributing to departmental and institutional growth. His tenure at RGM-CSE laid a solid foundation for his academic career and cultivated his passion for teaching and research. Since joining AIT DM Kurnool in August 2021, Dr. Nagaraju has been instrumental in delivering theory courses and lab courses at the undergraduate level, as well as guiding postgraduate students. He has actively contributed to curriculum development and played a leading role in laboratory establishment, ensuring that students gain hands-on exposure to cutting-edge technologies. Dr. Nagaraju's research interests are expansive and impactful, spanning IoT, machine learning, and deep learning. His key contributions include patents. He was granted a design patent for an IoT-based automatic vehicle for rail track inspection and has filed 2 additional patents in the IoT domain. He has authored numerous papers in high-impact science index journals, showcasing his deep technical expertise and innovative approach to problem solving. Sponsored projects. As the co-principal investigator, he is working on a Taihan IIT Hyderabad funded project titled Acoustic Communication Based Underwater ROV for Hull Surveillance and Underwater Drone. Proposals. Dr. Nagaraju has submitted R&D project proposals to SERB and TTDF aiming to push the boundaries of research in IoT and artificial intelligence. Dr. Nagaraju is a certified expert in drone technology, and he successfully led a MEITY funded bootcamp program where he trained students, faculty, and Navy officials on drone assembly, calibration, and real-world applications. His dedication to knowledge dissemination and hands-on training has significantly contributed to the upskilling of participants in advanced drone technologies. His outreach initiatives include delivering invited talks and workshops on topics such as machine learning, time series analysis, and soft skills at various prestigious institutions. Additionally, Dr. Nagaraju is passionate about community service, offering motivational talks and career development sessions to students at government schools and educational institutions across India, fostering aspirations among underprivileged youth. Dr. Nagaraj's remarkable contributions to academic excellence, research innovation, and community engagement underscore his commitment to advanced technology, inspiring the next generation of technologists and addressing real-world challenges through cutting-edge solutions. Once again, thank you all for giving this opportunity. So now I hand over the session to Swarupa Madam.
Sir, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Madam.
Mr. Roshan, sir.
Thank you, Madam.
With this, I take a great privilege in inviting our resource person for Day 5, Dr. K. Nagaraju, sir, AIT DM, to kindly take over the session. And thank you once again, sir. I welcome you to the session. And this virtual stage is yours. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you, Swarupa, madam. And also thank you for a brief introduction. I'm happy to present my presentation. So in this juncture, I would like to thank our management as well as Swarupa, madam, for inviting me to share my knowledge. Okay, very good evening, everyone. So today, as per the schedule, we are in fifth day. This is the last day also. So let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible, right?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, madam. AI tool as the request from the organizing committee and madam for live demonstration on AI tools for teaching and learning, particularly AI tools for research. That was requested by the management, particularly madam. Yeah. So let's see the contents of this today topic. AI tools for literature survey, AI assisted research problem and gap identification, how to write project or research proposal with AI assistance, and also how to write paper writing, research paper writing, and how for citation management, plagiarism awareness. Finally, we look for data analysis, visualization, and journal selection. Okay. So, as you know that research is very important for our daily life. As we are in academic institution, research is very important. Okay. So, I am happy to share my research knowledge, whatever I gone through, I'm going through. So that I could give you, whether I'm not okay meeting your requirement or not, but as per my knowledge only, I used to give you my insights. Let me ask you one question: how do you select a journal? Right? How do you select a journal? Which journal we are going to refer to write anything? So I'm going from, instead of top down, I'm coming from bottom-up process. The first one is journal selection. How do we select a journal? Because everything we need to read it, right? So which journal we need to read it? Yeah, I think question is posed. You may answer it and okay, either in chat box or you can unmute yourself. Okay, kindly give your response, please. How do you select a journal? If yes, no problem. Other also, how do you do that journal selection? I hope I'm clear, right? My question is clear, right? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for response, sir. How do you select journal? Maybe not through AI, but how do you make it as journal selection? So is there any library in your institution? I think publications also will come, or even so instead of now instead of going library, so online library is also there. So there are many things, right? How do we select journal selection? Which journal we need to read? Any answer from, I think around 100 members are there in the chat, I think in the meeting. Anyone? How do you select?
Sir, responding from chat, sir. Please see the chart. Everybody is responding.
Oh, a chat. Okay, fine, sir. I'll see chat. Okay. Yes. Domain specific, sir. Indexing based on scope and domain, based on domain specific, based on our work area. Okay. So our work area, right? Based on our scope work. Let's see ML, machine learning or deep learning. So how do you select that? So everybody, even right in Techly also, there is a bookshop. Is there? They'll also publish a paper called ML, machine learning and deep learning. Very nice with very beautiful pictures also in Techly also. Are we want to take that same? Is it, my question is clear? So same, based on our scope of work, based on our domain specific, based on our domain, right? Techly bookshop, very nice. So they are doing very good work with a very beautiful pictures, beautiful scope, everything. They will do that. We'll do this paper work there, or we want to take that paper. Which paper we need to select? Which journal we need to select? నేను అడిగే క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైంది కదా? Okay. Right. So if I think answers are not getting properly, let me take. Okay. So as you know, the papers are published in journals as conferences, right? So which journal we need to select? So as part of my knowledge, as you know, everybody should looking about SCI and right, yeah, standard journals. That's so. When do we say it is a standard journal? So standard journals can be done by some committees are there, right? That is called Science Citation Index, Scopus, and all. So how do we say it is a Science Citation Index? Okay, that's great, sir. Okay, madam, thank you very much, madam. Scopus, SCI, UGC, right? IEEE access, such standards. Okay, so even if you are publishing in SCI, so that is a good standard. Let's see, how do you say that is my journal is a SCI? Okay, so instead of going to that site, okay, there is called one thing is called, so that is called web of science, web of science journal info, right? So let's see, web of science journal info. That web of science journal info, okay, so we need to select journal. There are many journals are available, okay, whatever it is there. For example, one journal, it is called Let's see, computers in biology. Computer in biology and medicine. Biology and medicine. If you type it computers in biology and medicine, right? So it has ID. This is ID and journal title computers in biology and medicine. That is a journal name. Okay. So if you type it this computers in biology and medicine, computers in biology and medicine, right? So this is journal. It is the publisher is Science Direct, okay, and journal name is Computers in Biology and Medicine. Of course, so we can check the article issues and all, and also about article. So you can check all aim and scope, right? Aim and scope. We can check all what are the aims of the journal. So journal focus on something, okay. So what are the these things will be there, and also you can check, right, journal insights. Journal insights. So impact factor is 13. So publishing time this one, okay, and abstract and indexing is, right, SCI Imago Journal. So abstracting, okay, whether it is a SCI or not, how do you say? How do you say? So that could be done by here. So whether it is a science citation index or not. So when you look at this Web of Science score citation indexes, that is called Science Citation Index Expanded, SCI, Science Citation Index, and the impact factor is 13. If you want again, right, some more details, that the details are available here. Computers in biology and medicine, that is an abbreviation and has ISSN is there, okay, EISSN is there, category is there, okay, and web score is also there, that is citation indexes, it is in SCI, and the score is also there, ranking also there, okay, who is publishing and everything. Not only with this, in the right side you can see it is a right quartile, that is Q1, Q2, Q3 or Q4. So whichever it is published in SCI under Q1, so that are those are standard journals. Standard journals. Okay. So based on that, you can check whether it is my journal is standard or not. Clear? So let's see. So based on your question itself, so somebody is told that I want to take that, okay, in my scopus, based on our scope, based on our work area, based on our domain specific, we need to select papers. So how do you select? The first one is actually, okay, so you can select understand theory of literature survey, learn AI concepts behind literature tools, that is our objective, perform AI assisted literature analysis, identify research trends and gaps. Okay, that's our objective now. Let's see what is literature survey. We need to use systematic review of existing scholarly work. You need to review systematically. And also you need to evaluate critically, so that what methods are there, what results are there. Okay, critically evaluate what are the methods and what are the results are available. So identify what trends are there, what are the challenges are given, what are the gaps we can identify. So when you say this one, you can say this is literature survey. Okay, so that means you can avoid duplication. Not only with that, duplication. So if some work you want to do, the scope of the work you can do, if you want to do some research, right? So you need have a sufficient what is called proofs is required. That is establish sufficient proof. I am very sorry. Anna, అన్న నేను 9కి వస్తానన్నా, నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను, మీటింగ్లో ఉన్నా. అలా నేను వస్తానన్నా, ఏమనుకోండి నేను వస్తాను. కాదు అర్జెంట్ ఉంది నాకు వెహికల్, నేను వచ్చేస్తాను నేను 8:45 అలా వచ్చేస్తాను. నా అర్జెంట్ వర్క్ ఉంది నాకు. ఓకే. Okay. So it establishes the novelty. Not only with that, you need to have with the proof, with a strong research things that is called foundation. You can establish the path. Okay, so that you can develop by using literature survey. If you do literature survey good, then research is good. If you are not doing literature survey, right, just like anything, so our results are also like that. So best example I can say, right, if you construct a building, right, so first we need to plan perfectly. If you plan perfectly, so that means whether it is how do you build, that means base, right? If base is good, so you can construct building very nicely. If the plan is also not good, second, if base is also not good, so then the structure won't be right standard. That's the thing you need to establish. You need to build strong research foundation by using literature survey, then results will be there. So means you need to read thoroughly, right? How to read thoroughly, that is actually things. So there are types of literature reviews. One is called narrative review, right? And second is called systematic review literature, right? That is called, we can say, SLR, systematic literature review. Then third type is called meta-analysis. Fourth one is scoping review, and last one is bibliometric review. So you can take any type of literature review in this case, right? When you look at traditional versus AI-based literature survey, so in traditional, so when I started my research journey, at that time AI was not there. So what to do? So we need to go to library, the printed documents we need to study. Okay, we need to get all the documents, then we need to mark it. Okay, then we need to refer it again the publication, whatever it is there, we need to search that publication. Okay, again mark it. So that is actually the speed of research was very slow. Okay, so earlier we don't have that much AI technologies are there. So even Google also not that much faster also. Okay, so it is lengthy, or it is very difficult to do a literature review nowadays. So AI based. So that means, right, slow has to become fast. And also the limited coverages is because we had very limited transactions, limited publications, limited all these things. So as printed, so that is very difficult to cover the concepts. Okay, only limited. So if only that part of only, the scope is very limited. Now, since it is in right AI tools, so it can gather from many, so all over the world within a seconds, within a right few minutes, we can get it. And also, right, we need to get go to the library and get all the printouts, right, manual only. But now the mapping is automatic. So the summarization, you need to take all the notes. Okay, paper 1, what is their limitations? Paper 2, what are the limitations? What are the methods? What are the results? What are the comparisons? Everything we have to do it manually only, right? So maybe so we cannot read, right, thousands papers. So we cannot read even 100 papers also. If it is 100 papers, that's a good research, right? So it takes a lot of time to summarize, to take note it all. But so that could be evaluated, or it can be advanced by using AI, artificial intelligence. So the summarization takes place. It's very simple. Okay, so that's what I want to appreciate ITAM authorities right, to have this kind of talks, which is having, you need to improve research based on AI. So then might be there would be a bias, right? Okay, in manual, maybe. So because we are not able to search widely, and it is very limited, so maybe, yes, that is correct only, like that. So intellectually you can say that is correct. Subjective bias handling is there. So as per this one, it is searching everything, right? So the bias was reduced. That's what a traditional literature review and AI-based literature review has been updated. AI concepts behind literature tools, right? Many things would be there. NLP, natural language processing, information retrieval, citation network analysis, recommendation systems. Not only with that, knowledge graphs. So the literature has, so it might bring into the picture. So that's what NLP is always evergreen concept, right? Natural language processing. So it is not, there is no end for that. It will be there forever and ever, NLP. And also it retrieves by using information retrieval. Okay. So then what are the citations of all the papers and all? So by using citation network analysis. Okay, of course, if you search something, nowadays recommending systems have been improved, right? Recommendations, yes, this is also right, right? Then knowledge graphs, it's find knowledge graphs. So there are many key AI tools for literature survey. Okay, let's start with Google Scholar, then Semantic Scholar, then Consciences, then Research Rabbit, SciSpace, Perplexity AI, and so on. There are many are there. Okay, look at a few things. One is called Google Scholar. Google Scholar. I hope everybody knows about Google Scholar, right? So that is AI assisted usage. Let's see Google Scholar. So the question I asked: how do you get a good journals? Okay. So many answered that we need to search according our scope and our area. So how do you say that? So let's see Google Scholar. Okay. So I'm in Google Scholar. For example, I want autism spectrum disorder. Autism spectrum disorder using machine learning. Machine learning. Okay. So I want autism spectrum disorder. That is one of the disorders are there. So which can solve in machine learning. So that is my the scope of area, right? So now I want to do all the literatures which are published till now. Okay, so look at this Google Scholar. So that has given the list. So there are many things have given, right? So many links have given. So then I have to start from where the details are start from where. So say, okay, you can give a custom range. What is the date? Otherwise, since 2026 or okay, so you can tell. So the current research since 2026, since 2025, since 2022, since right anything. So otherwise, you can give custom range from this date to that date. Okay, so since 2026 to right even 19, okay, 90s. So you can give that range. So automatically it would be there. Okay, so it is 99 to 2000. So since 2026. Okay, so many references have come. So then you can search a document, search a document towards screening. Okay, so then you need to read. This was published in elsewhere with this called expert system applications. You can view, download, and everything. Okay, whether this article is a standard or not, because you need to look at while reading the paper that would be a standard journal or not. Okay, so like if you publish a paper, that means there are many platforms would be there. Okay, as said, it is Scopus is there, UGC is there, right? Local journals is there, even some journal is there, no ranking. So if you read that, the content is also not good. Okay, so you need to read a standard journal. So how do you say that it is a standard journal? As I said, it is. Okay, so you can check. Now it is a journal, right? So expert system with application. So this is a journal. So this journal is a standard or not. How do you check? Again, you can take this either a title, either it is a ISSN number, right, or something. So now expert system with application as a journal name. Okay, I think it is there, expert system and applications. All right, so you can take this as title and come here. Okay, so then whether that is in standard journal also says that is Web of Science. Okay, so expert system with applications. Let's search. So your request matched with one journal. What journal is that? Journal title is expert system with application. Correct. So whatever you want, so that is, it is matching and has ISSN number, ESSN number, and Web of Score is, this is also Science Citation Index Expanded, means SCI journal. Even more, okay, that is impact factor is 7.5. Then, so you can check more, that is also in Q1. That is also in Q1. So that means whatever you are searched the data, okay, that could be, where is that? Okay, Google Scholar. Expert system with application. Okay, so this one is a standard journal. So that means you can download this data. Okay, download this PDF and read it as it is. So what is the advantage of this Google Scholar? So you can get the data and also you can view the PDF. So earlier a traditional search actually, so you need to go and to the library and get this paper in a book or anything. So then you can take a photostat and read it everything. But as the Google Scholar is there, so it has been searched. It has been searched in many things in the Google itself. So it has given so many right references. So you can select one of that. So in that one we have taken something, right? So we have taken something, we can read it everything and make note and make all those things, right? So you need to do it like that. We need to give the standard papers one, we need to take. This is general. This is general. Any researcher or anybody can do this one. Correct? So everybody is doing like this only. If not, please do that. Okay. What is the disadvantage here? What are the disadvantages here? Yeah, now it is open to you. What are the disadvantages in Google Scholar? Is my question is clear? We are doing research, right? Everybody is doing research and everybody is looking for a paper and all. Of course, all right, instead of writing into Google, so better to do in Google Scholar. So that means it is it's showing the relevant data, relevant papers which are having from or since 2026 or 2025 and all. Everything is there. So we can, right, you can check the standard, whether it is a standard journal or not, anything. So that you can do it. So that is everything is good. Then what are the disadvantages? Am I clear? My question is clear? Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you, Nagaraj sir. What are the disadvantages? Okay. So maybe again, like we need to go, even though it is searching from all over the world, which are published in the year of 2026 onwards. That is good thing. Advantage is fun. So everything is given in a list. So I can read the first paper, I can read second paper, I can read third paper, I can read everything, right? So then that is a good thing. But the problem is, so you need to go to particular paper, look at everything, download it, okay? Then you need to do what is called, you need to read everything. You need to read everything. If it is a 20 pages, 20 pages means you need to read all the abstract, okay? Then you need to give a notation, whether you need to give something notation like this, okay? Or you need to something you need to draw, something highlight or anything. You can do anything, right? Like that. So then you need to make note points, each and everything, okay? So like that. So for a paper, it takes maybe somebody takes 1 day, somebody takes 2 days, somebody takes 3 days, somebody takes this maybe 10 hours, somebody takes it is only 5 hours, because they looked at only abstract, okay? Then some part of introduction, okay? Or they look for what is called conclusion, right? What they have done, right? The conclusion they will look at. So what instead of reading the whole content, they will read conclusion, and they can understand, okay? Then they will see what is data availability, okay? And all they will look at and write that what methods are used, okay? Everything they will make a note. So like that, it may take, right, 10 days to 1 month to take all literature. So it is also time consuming, right? Each and everything you need to look at. Otherwise, it is unable to do it. Because you need to read this paper, this paper, this paper, this paper. So every paper we need to read it. Is there any other way? Is there another way? Because each and every paper you need to read it, right? సో మనం ఏం చేయాలి, మొత్తం ఒక పేపర్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఆ పేపర్ చదువుకోవాలి, ఈ పేపర్ చదువుకోవాలి, అన్ని చేసుకున్న తర్వాత నోట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఆ తర్వాత మనం లిటరేచర్ సర్వే చేసుకోవాలి, అవునా కదా? సో ఐ థింక్ యు నో వాట్ ఈస్ ద బేసిక్ స్ట్రక్చర్, రైట్? ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ టు okay, you need to do it, what is called to establish, you need to do a literature survey, okay? Then from that you need to identify what are the limitations, okay? That means you can see you need to identify research gaps, okay? Research gaps, I think you are able to see, right? Research gaps, right? So by putting all literature survey, okay, so you need to find what are the limitations are there, okay? Then you can say by using this one, you can say it is research gaps you are finding, correct? So if you find research gaps, then you can say, right, you can write problem statement. If problem statement is there, then you can say to achieve that problem statement, you can get, okay, by using setup what is called objectives. So that means there is first objective 1, okay? Objective 1 are objective 2, and so on, maybe objective 3, etc. Like that, you can read it. Okay, so to solve the problem statement, or to achieve this problem statement, you're giving objectives. Okay, so to get problem solve based on objective 1, for to solve objective 1, what methodology is using? Methodology. Which methodology using, right? Such as methodology, okay, which methodology you're using? Either it is a machine learning, or it is a deep learning, or it is okay, artificial intelligence, or it is XAI, right? Or it is neural network, right? Otherwise it is called LLM, okay, or it is okay, it is algorithms, okay, or it is a graph, or it is a mathematical model, okay. So whatever the things, so you can solve by using those methodology. So ML have many algorithms, DL have many algorithms, AI have many algorithms, right? So like that you can solve the methodology. So when you solve that objective by using the methodology, so you may get some results, right? The results have to be same, all these things with a discussion. What is actually, how did you get these results? Which methodology is going good? What is accuracy and all? Okay, so you are saying all these things, all right? Then that result, because once you apply the methodology, that methodology, based on that you will get some results. That results have to be compared with right, the state of art problems, okay, or state of art literature review. Since when you use a literature survey, right, that literature survey has some limitations or some research gaps. Because of that, you're defining problem statement. Okay, so then you set the objectives, then you have applied some different algorithms by using MLD or anything. You got very good results or bad results, whichever it is. So then that results have been compared with, right, a proof called literature survey. So if you are getting better than the literature survey, yes, you achieved a very nice. So then you can publish a paper, right? Even if you are not able to get it, maybe, okay, lesser to that or equal to that. So then again, you need to change the methodology. Instead of using ML, you can take DL, or you can take other methods. Okay, so then you have to compare. If you are getting at least delta change, you can do, right, publish that one. So that is a methodology, correct? Or you can do this type. So in this one, the first thing is literature survey. The literature survey can do by using Google Scholar. Okay, so that advantages is you're getting everything. The disadvantages, again, you have to go one by one link. So whether it is a standard paper or anything, you have to do it. So that is the thing. You're not able to get it, or you can take, okay, each and everything in your notes, correct? So this is the disadvantage. Then what are the any other tools are there? Any other tools are there? Okay. So then the next one is called, okay, semantic scholar. Semantic scholar. So I think we can now we are using one of the AI tool which is having semantic scholar. How many of you know about semantic scholar? Semantic scholar. How many of you know about semantic scholar? Yeah, A2. So that's filtering. Thank you. Okay. Don't know. Thank you, madam. So semantic scholar. So we started with first Google. First one is Google. Anybody can do this one, right? Google. So for example, I want that one. So the next one is Google Scholar. That is Google Scholar. Scholar. Okay, and that is also done, right? This is also AI tool, an AI powered scholar search. Okay, then another one, it is called semantic scholar, scholar. So you can type it. So it is also a free version, right? Like Google Scholar, but somewhat advanced to what is called Google Scholar. Google Scholar, a free AI-powered research tool for scientific literature. So you can. So there are millions of papers are available in this one. In the database, you can search. Let's see. Search around this many papers from all the fields of science. Okay, so let's say one field, right? What is called, I want cancer detection by using cancer detection using machine learning. Correct? So this is I want as what actually research is there, how much it is done, everything. Correct? So you may be login and all right? So you can do it. So what is semantic? Google Scholar is done. Semantic Scholar is an AI-powered academic search engine developed by Allen Institute for AI, designed to understand meaning, not just by keywords. So meaning it has there. It is used for efficient, not only efficient, and also it is intelligent literature discovery. So remember that. This is used for efficient, intelligent literature survey, okay, compared to Google Scholar, somewhat advanced. Why semantic scholar? For research. Millions of papers across domains. So there are, I think you have seen, millions of papers are there. The good thing is, right? In Google Scholar, you're not able to summarize, right? So you need to summarize it. How? That means you need to get downloaded, or you can go to that paper PDF, download it, read everything, note yourself, make it summarize in Google Scholar. Okay. Whereas in Semantic Scholar, it is generating the summary. That is the best part, right? Semantic Scholar is generating summaries, AI generating summaries. So no need to read the entire document. So it has summaries is there. And also, right, the smart citation analysis also there. How many citations are there? Okay, based on citations, you can select it. The paper is good or bad. Not only with that, it identifies influential and relevant research quickly. That is the advantage of semantic research scholar. Wonderful thing. Okay, so as a third, a powered research engine using NLP to rank and summarize the papers. So that is a great advantages. It provides, okay, TL, right? DR summarizes. I'll ask the question, what is TL and DR? Okay, later. Provides TL and DR summarizes, citation metrics, key authors, identifies seminal papers and research gaps quickly. So here research gap is there. In Google Scholar, it never gives the summarizes, just it provides a link. It collects all the papers from the world and it gives a link. Whereas not only that is cement is not only collecting that one, so it gives TLDR summaries, citation metrics, key authors, seminal papers, research gaps, everything is giving. Okay, so to see that one, Semantic of course, right? Semanticscholar.org or Semanticscholar. So you can type it in Google. So that will be there. Then enter topic keywords, that is blockchain in smart grids, or it is autism spectrum disorder, okay, or it is a machine learning, or it is whatever it is, NLP, whichever it is there. Apply filters. So there in Google Scholar, the filters would be like this: since 2026, since 2025, since that one only. But right here you can have in Semantic Scholar, field also is there. Okay, not only field, there is actually citation count. Of course, it is there in the Google Scholar also, but field is not there. Okay, field is not there. Extra thing is it is having TLDR summary, exploring references and cited by, who is actually cited, who is actually given that one. So you can download, right, and import to Mandely or SCI space. SCI space, of course, you know Mandely. So I'll tell you later. SciSpace also. Not only that, you can annotate, you can make note, you can make the things, right? Method, results, gaps, and everything. So these are something. Let's see one by one. So open a web browser. Okay, search for Semantic Scholar. Open the official website. Of course, login is optional, no problem. Explain. For example, explain AI in medical imaging. So you can enter the keywords in the search box. Enter. Okay. Then use filters on the left side. So here 2021 to 2025. Sort by right relevance or citations, and also you can include field of study, that is either computer science or AI, or it is electrical or electronics, whatever it is. So you can remove irrelevant and old papers also, right? So that is step 3. And read DL and DR. So read paper. So that is called, you can say too long, did not read. TLDR means too long, did not read section. Read TL and DR. Remember that. What is TL and DR? Too long, don't read. So read the section TL and DR. So that is called, you have that one. Understand, problem addressed, method used, main contribution. So here it is giving a quick review by using TLDR. Too long and don't read. Okay, so don't read the too long passages. It gives us within a sentence. That is a summary. Okay, so it's an TLDR is a AI generated short summary of research paper. That is we wanted, right? Okay, instead of reading 20 or 30 pages, or it is okay, it appears that summarizes. Everybody looking for what is the matter in this paper. We require that one, right? So usually appears in 2 to 4 lines. What it there in 2 to 4 lines? What problem the paper addresses, what method or approach is used, what is the main contribution or result that could used. That is there in TLDR. Too long, don't read is for quick understanding only. Right? Remember? So don't come to the conclusion. So of course, you need to read whole paper to understand that one. Don't judge by book cover. Right, maybe 2 to 4 lines is there to understand, but that is for understanding only. Always read the full paper. Okay, so don't give a judgment by reading only 2 to 3 papers, 2 to 3 lines. You need to read the complete one. But AI tool is there, it gives the summaries. That is only advantage. Okay, So check the paper quality. Of course, I said before selecting a paper, verify how many citations are there, how influential citation is there, whether it is a journal or a conference, author reputation and all. So analyze key concepts, scroll down and observe key phrases, methods, datasheet mentioned, everything. Okay. Explore references, click on references, identify a foundational papers, classical process, use background theory. Okay. Explore citation. Let's see one by one. Let's see one by one. Okay. Are you at on computer or just only listening? Are you doing at computer or just listening yourself? Madam, time is okay. Time. AI tools filtering. Okay. Semantic organization. Thank you. Okay. Laptop. Thank you. When you are with laptop, very good, sir. Very good, sir. Now, take time to open semantic scholar. The semantic scholar. So it is a tool, AI tool, a free AI powered research tool for scientific literature. So kindly type this semantic scholar. Semantic scholar. Okay. So I think you can use semanticscholar.org. Clear? So maybe that could be done using login or without login also fine. Without login also fine. So then just like a Google search only, right? Whatever I need, okay, a autism spectrum disorder, autism spectrum disorder using machine learning. Machine learning, correct? So this is I want a concept. Let's see. It is loading. How many results are there? About 73,800 results for autism spectrum disorder using machine learning. What if I'm typing only autism spectrum disorder? Autism spectrum disorder. Hi, 2,12,000 results for autism spectrum disorder. So it may have all things, means science, everything would be there. But I want what is called computer science. So that's what I want to use, machine learning. Machine learning. Okay. Now it is reduced to 73,800. Okay. Then also, so then there is called field of study is there. In Google Scholar, this is not there. Okay. Now field of study. Then you have date range. Not only with that, in Google Scholar, there is a thing, whether it is a openable or not, nothing is right. Whereas in this one, I want a PDF. It should be open, right? Okay, so select. So let's see, field of study. I want to be only computer science. Computer science. Okay, now the 73,800 has been reduced to 24,300. Okay, again, if you want to give, even I want to use medicine also. Okay, so you can add that also because medicine should be also there. Then it is 53,300. What is the date range? Okay, it is started from 1965 to 2026. If you want, you can take, or otherwise this year only. Okay, that is a good advantage. Wow, beautiful, right? Only this this year only, means it is 2025 to 26 and all, right? Otherwise, you can select last 5 years. That is also good. That's also good. Okay, that's also good. So last 5 years, 26 minus 5. Okay, or even you can give last 10 years. Yeah, otherwise, you can click on this customized. Yes, so you can take it customized. Clearly, right? So this is a very good thing, right? So then you can take. Then, right, that should be a PDF. That should be have PDF. Yeah. Now only 34. 54 has been reduced to 34,000 as PDF. Let's see, PDF is there. This paper has available open access PDF. Okay. Otherwise, you need have, right, you need to go to library. So you need to get all the things. It is very difficult, right? Whichever it is PDF is there, I want to read that. Okay. So that PDF. And is there any other specific? Yes, I need only USA. I need only India. Those people who are Indian names. That's also you can take. Okay. Or it's only I need. What about journals? Whether it is a good journal or bad journal. Okay. So maybe you can say scientific reports is good. Okay. Then you have authentic journals, scientific reports. Okay. What is called autism research, because I want to do that. Okay, like that. Then you can say even PLS1. Okay, whatever it is there. So all it is filtered about. All it is filtered about, right? Even IEEE access. Okay, so like that. So you can filter out. Now it is reduced to 73,800 has been, sorry, 2 lakhs 2,102. Okay, 73,800, 73 to 53, 53 to 35, 35 to, okay, some 18 to 1,570. You can do it. Okay, so whatever it is there. So then you may be sort by relevance, sort by citation count, sort by most influential paper, sort by recency. Okay, recency means it is 2026, right? Maybe. So that is March 2025 only. So then after that nothing is there. 24th March, right? So you can sort as it is like this. So let's see. You can read it. I want as PDF, right? Okay. So that you can do. Yes, PDF is there. So again you need to read PDF. PDF is there. Clear? That PDF you can do it. You can do it everything like a Google Scholar. Google Scholar. But the advantage here, okay, TLDR, right? TLDR, that is too long, don't read. It gives summary. How many lines? 1 to 4 lines. 1 to 4 lines. That is called, you need to read this one. Where is that? TLDR. The analysis suggested the contribution of splicing variants within whatever. So that would be there. So that complete the TLDR as is given within 3 lines. So this is complete abstract. Okay. So it can understand it has given a summary. That is a good thing. Okay, you can take summary, right? You can do it. Download that paper. Okay, make it this one. Okay, like that. Every paper you can read it. So you can make even annotation also. Okay, annotation also. So you can read it everything. Are you okay with that? With the scientific semantics color?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. Please. Any questions at this point?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
Hello.
Any questions?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, the same thing is being done by ChatGPT even itself, sir. Even if you write all these things in ChatGPT, everything comes. A summary comes and latest things come and everything comes. Sir. Qualitative papers you can get out. What could be the difference between the semantics as well as ChatGPT? Just for
Very good.
clarification.
Very good question, sir. But the authenticity won't be there in ChatGPT.
No, sir, I have checked. Sorry for disturbing you.
Yeah,
I have checked and rechecked. I have checked and rechecked, and I have done re-engineering also, as far as our management subjects are concerned. And previously, it was not. It could have not been there. But now I have taken Pro, and I am paying some amount every month. Now I am getting very qualitative, sir. I checked and I found it is good, and summary also very good, sir. As you rightly tell here, TLD. Okay, there it's so good.
Correct, sir. So, but the virginality, sometimes we are missing that. Even ChatGPT is good only, because if your research is giving, that means it can reveal to many also. Because
Okay,
it
sir.
is
Right.
learning, right? It is learning, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you are giving something input, right, even that learns it and gives to others.
That is good, sir. Yeah, I understood.
Understood, sir?
That
So,
might be one of the points. Yeah. That might be one of the points.
yeah, that the reality won't be there actually.
Yeah.
So again, you need to go and go back and read that particular. So it cannot summarize the whole paper, or it can do that. Means it can summarize as the whatever you are given literature, that summarizes. Whether it is correct or wrong, that is by reading that only.
Yeah, I have gone through. Yeah. Right.
Correct, sir?
That's true, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
whereas
What I understand, the difference is they are AI is learning for our thoughts. That is very dangerous, in fact. Right, sir.
correct,
That's
correct.
true.
So whatever we give, even that is also taking input. So since you are given somebody which are very near or somewhere, so now because your thoughts, that thoughts also given to other person.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good,
Correct.
sir.
So standard
Clear
is
picture.
not there.
Yeah.
Whereas semantic analyzer
Yeah.
is giving exactly to that paper.
Yeah.
Maybe it is not giving
Thank
all
you.
papers, only to that particular paper, sir.
Specific. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for good question. Yeah, any other questions in this point? Okay. So I agree with that. That is called ChatGPT is giving, but it is not for a paper. So again, you need to paste the entire whatever it is there. For example, I want to do this one. So you have it gives. For example, I want this abstract. So you can paste in ChatGPT. Okay, that gives summary. That's correct. I understand. But again, instead of you doing, ChatGPT is doing. But in semantic analyzer, what is it is doing? All right. So actually, it is doing. It's so the complete abstract is giving us here itself TLDR. That is one good advantage. One good advantage. Okay. The entire summary is giving in 2 to 3 lines. 2 to 3 lines, or maximum 4 lines. So that is a good advantage of semantic analyzer, sir. Clear? Okay, so like that, you can take the paper, you can remember one thing. So I already told this is always read the full paper, not going for, it is only quick understanding, that's all. But the actual content will be in the full paper only. Remember that. Whether it is AI tool is there, okay, ChatGPT is there, anything is there. So just to understand what is there. But actual research is for when you read full paper only. Okay. So then, and also the plagiarism also is there. If you read that thing, the plagiarism, we are okay. That is called I can say AI plagiarism is there. So many even last we are there in a star conference, we applied. Okay, so other students have there, it is called AI plagiarism is there because they have done through ChatGPT. So everything is good. So it got AI plagiarism. Don't depend on that. Okay, so you can write your own writings. So that's called so based on that, okay, download full paper, read introduction, read methodology, read results, read limitations, so that you can identify research gaps. Identify research gaps by reading all the multiple papers. So what actually the problem. So how it could be right solved, how it is actually not able to solve, what are the things are there, right? What are the limitations are mentioned, unable to solve it. So and maybe that data set may be unsolved. This data could be solved. What is missing in everything, right? Whether the problem is existing real or not. Okay, so that you can identify research research gap, such as IoT security and all. So I have used that one. So the common mistakes is in semantic analyzer or whoever it is, reads only TLDR, that is too long, don't read section, that is 2 to 3 lines. Okay, so we cannot come conclusion that one. So that is a common mistake, please. And maybe some says that because of high citations are there, we can select that paper. That is also wrong. Okay, some good papers also low citations. Don't go for that one. Go for a standard paper. Don't go for a citations. Ignoring older foundational papers. Come with newer. So when you start when you start a research should not start with 2000 2001 or 2002. Okay, so first come with the current research. You start with current one, then whether it is there in 2025, whether it is addressed in 2024, whether it is addressed in 2022, like that, dig and dig and dig. So where it is started, where it is ended, what is this, the gaps, building a trusting, right, AI summaries. So don't believe that AI summaries such as ChatGPT and all. Remember that we fall into that. Okay, everybody is falling into ChatGPT. ChatGPT is doing good, very nice. That's okay, but don't blindly follow AI summaries. Okay, either in ChatGPT or somewhere, including semantic scholar also. So go and read actual paper. Use semantic scholar with Google Scholar. Always read original papers. Maintain a literature table. Okay, so what are the limitations and everything? Of course, you need to come back. Even though AI tool is there, after reading it all, okay, go into deeper. Maybe you can get all the information, but go into deeper to that paper. Update, survey periodically. Best practice. Semantic Scholar simplifies literature survey. It helps. Okay, so human judgment is essential. So maybe it gives quickly, but definitely you need to go and read the exact paper, proper paper, the full read of PDF paper. Proper usage leads to strong research problems. That is a takeaway from Google Scholar. Second, just a minute, I'll drink water. Okay, we started with Google, right? Google, then we started secondly Google Scholar with AI. Third, we started with Semantic Scholar. Now another one tool, Conscious, okay, whatever it is there. Aggregates evidence from multiple papers to answer questions. Now as like ChatGPT, okay. It's not giving the things, but it gives aggregates evidences with evidences, right? So reduces reading time. Of course, you can open consciousness.app. So then you can see what are the questions you need, right? It gives answers with what is called evidences, right? And also you can use annotated gaps or trends future research. right? So that you can do. Let's see, open CSE app, right? Open the browser and open official website. Login as optional. Okay. So then what are the privacy challenges in blockchain based? You can, whatever it is there, type the question in search box, press enter. Okay. So then Conscious provides an answer, concise or AI generated answer. So then check highlighted key points, that is problem addressed, methods mentioned, key findings, what are the preliminary surveys. So always validate your answers with original papers only. Again, so you need to see the original papers. Without original paper, reading original paper, don't come for a conclusion. Explore linked papers. Each answer includes a reference to original research. Click the links to read abstracts or full papers. Identify foundational and recent studies, so which helps understand evidence behind a generated summary. Okay, so then take notes. What are the current challenges? What are the methods are used? What are the research gaps are used? Right, and you can record citations in Manly or Zotero. So tags by using keywords or references. Okay, then identify research trends and gaps by using consciousness. Observe repeated themes across multiple answers. Identify areas that are unexplored. Note limitations of existing methods. Helps in formatting a novel research problem. Okay, so for example, ML in federated learning. So that is you can do that, and you can see all these things. Okay, let's see one by one by using what is called consciousness. So this is the one. This is the one I can take. So research starts here. It is also not required any sign up and all. Let's see. For example, I told, okay, autism spectrum disorder. What causes autism spectrum disorders? That is a question. Okay. So now it is giving all these things. Let's see. Are you opened Conscious app?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So now it reads everything. It looked like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not giving evidences. Maybe it gives, but here it gives the research topic with evidences. Okay. Yes. So 20 sources are there. Let's see, 20 sources are there. So ranking papers, 90 papers by relevance to your initial query, considering factors like influence, recency, strength of evidence, and overall research quality. Okay. So what is it? Etiology of autism spectrum disorder, genetic something. Okay. Whatever. So it gives what is called autism spectrum disorder, whatever it is there. Okay. Have multifactorial origin arising from many interacting genetic environmental influences rather than single cause. So strong. What we know about causes, environmental and something, it gives the citation also. So whatever human used to do, so it gives the citations. Yeah, so the factor type, uh, parental pregnancy, so the examples with evidences, whatever it is there, so where it is there, that could be there in this one, in these papers. Okay, and we have link, changing a PDF link is there. Okay, you can read it. So whatever it is there, the examples with evidences, that could be done from this one, this literature review. Usually we need to download this, okay, each and every paper. Now we need to give the evidences like this within 1 or 2 or 3 pages. So whereas semantic analysis, what is called, okay, semantic scholar, what semantic scholar says that actually this paper is giving us TLDR. Okay, this paper. What is this paper has? So within 2 to 3 lines it gives. Okay, what this paper means? This paper gives TLDR. Okay, so then here this one is, it gives the evidences or things. Okay, whatever it is. So conclusion, AST does not have one single cause. It is typically arises from something. Okay, like this. I wanted, right, updating this one. What is, you can say that what is called all results. Okay, so how it is done, right? This is by literature review. So this is literature review is a summary of available academic literature related to topic. Okay, rigorous journal, highly cited. So what journal it is there? So this issue or journal is 50% of measured by size score, whatever it is there. So we have published in 2020 Journal of Clinical Medicine, like that everything. If you want, you can go to that PDF. Okay, so based on this citations that has been generated. Wow, what a beautiful. Okay, so that could be generated, right? So like that you can do that. So what are the, okay, machine learning methods are used. Machine learning methods are used. What are the machine learning methods to detect autism spectrum disorder? Autism spectrum disorders. Okay, what are the machine learning methods to detect autism spectrum disorders? Like that, you can give your own questions, right? So it is collecting some millions of papers, okay, with evidences. Now it is giving answers. Main method families and typical data. Machine learning for autism detection. A wide range of models used behavioral imaging, sensor data with best in systems often achieving, okay, having accuracy of 85 to 95% in research settings. What methods are used? Okay, classical supervised methods are used, deep learning computer vision methods used, behavioral motion, multi-sensor ML is used. Everything it has given in a single page. Across studies, the main machine learning methods for AST detection span classic classifiers on screening data, deep learning on images, and whatever it is there. Okay, so it has explainable and generative AI. Correct? So it has clinical deployment, everything. Who said this one? From these papers. Yeah, this is there in the 4th paper, 8th paper, 15th paper. Evidences, everything is given. Everything is also, it is given, right? That is beautiful. Wonderful. So if you want more evidences or things, you can go and, okay, you can go and open this PDF, full text, you can read it. Okay, get it, everything. So the 10 days or 15 days job has been done within seconds. What a beautiful, wonderful thing, right? So maybe it is look like ChatGPT, but have evidences, with evidences. Okay, where it is, whether it is correct or wrong, you can do it. Clear? Literature review. Yes. Highly cited. Everything is there by using wonderful app, wonderful so then you can see that what are the limitations, what are the gaps, what are the gaps identified. Yes, you can give it. So it takes time, right? But AI tool is giving gaps. Key gaps in ML-based autism detection includes biased data, poor multimodal integration, weak validation. Even as human being also, it is very difficult to identify. So data and sample gaps, representative gaps, whatever it is there. Okay. So like that, in your research areas, you can ask the questions, You can dig it. So all these things. So sources are there. All over 2000 million research papers are only medical. Okay. So you want for more advanced things. Okay. So you can do it. So somewhat similar to ChatGPT, but have evidences. Okay. So this is a good one. Clear? Any questions at this juncture? Are you clear? Yeah, if questions are not there, means everything is understandable. Everything is able to understand by you. Is it okay? What can understand?
Yes.
Two things only. Everything is understandable or nothing could be understand. Which is correct?
Sir, all good, sir. Everything is understandable.
Oh, thank
I
you.
reciprocate.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Please carry on, sir. That's
Yeah.
good and interesting also. Bye.
Thank you very much, sir. So next, maybe. So again, it is the common mistakes. Don't blind AI generated answers. Okay, maybe one page it is there. Don't keep as it is. Okay, so don't blindly, yes, trusting to that. Kindly check the original papers. We are using everything is good, no problem for us. Yeah, got it, everything. So without checking itself, yeah, okay, sent. So there are many problems are there. So if you are doing that, definitely we are at okay, plagiarism. AI plagiarism, not plagiarism would be there, but AI plagiarism is there. Ignoring less cited but important studies, using conscious as only survey tool. Okay, so don't do that. This is the common mistakes. Best practice is cross check with semantic and scholar, Google Scholar. So we started from Google Scholar, semantic scholar. Please check with Google Scholar. Please check with semantic scholar. Always read the original paper if critical for research. If you are doing for a research, okay, critical research, read the original paper. Okay, if you are reading in IIT, of course, I'm not degrading anyone, but right. So so I am the best practice that, because I don't want to compare anyone. Uh, after reading the papers, okay. So we need to get a publish means we need to satisfy our professors first, because you need to provide evidences. So I took to publish a paper 5 years. After 5 years, only one paper got published. Really, it is very difficult to satisfy our professors. Okay, because everything to be evidences, everything. So when the get result only, able to, yes, you can go for publication. So that was very difficult. So because original paper, if something is go wrong, means your paper got retracted or something, okay, getting back. And if it is something, then there is a issue with institute. First for us, not only with us, right? For institute, not only with institute, for okay, department, not only that, right, Andhra Pradesh or wherever it is, a nation. So maintain that one, please. So maintain a structured notes. So when you read this original paper, okay, maybe the summary would be there, but personally, kindly maintain ethical things by using structured notes, ethical research, problem. You can, what is the method, what data set used, what research gap used, okay, what methodology is used, what the results, what are the accuracy they got. Maybe you can find, right, the new research problem. So update the survey. So track new papers. Don't stay only 2020. Now it is 2026. What is the current research? That you need to say. So many of things are like in ML in ML machine learning. So if you publish it, right, ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే రైట్ నేను పబ్లిష్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్న టైంకి ఆల్రెడీ ఇంకొక పేపర్ వచ్చి ఉంటుంది. ఏం చేయాలి? నా రీసెర్చ్ ఏం చేయాలి? కాబట్టి ఏదైతే నేను చేస్తున్నానో, మనం చేస్తున్న రీసెర్చ్ని పబ్లిష్ అయిందా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. లేకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది, మనం చేసిన రీసెర్చ్ అంతా గంగలో పోసినట్టు అవుతుంది. సో ప్లీజ్ చెక్, పీరియడికలీ అప్డేట్ ద సర్వే. డోంట్ నేను ఫస్ట్ సర్వే చేశాను కాబట్టి నాకు అదే సరిపోయింది. నెవర్. ఆ లిటరసీ సర్వర్ని మనం ఏం చేయాలి? వీ నీడ్ టు అప్డేట్ అవర్ సెల్ఫ్. చెక్ చేసుకుంటూనే ఉండాలి. అవర్ యాప్, Conscious app, saves time by summarizing multiple papers. Okay, of course, that's a good thing. So from Google Scholar to Semantic Scholar also Conscious. So multiple based on that, time consumption is reduced. So AI assist, but human evaluation is essential. AI మంచి రిజల్ట్ ఇస్తుంది, మంచిదే, కానీ అంతకంటే నీ రీసెర్చర్ యొక్క ఇవాల్యుయేషన్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, ఎసెన్షియల్. హెల్ప్స్ క్విక్లీ ఐడెంటిఫై ట్రెండ్స్ అండ్ రీసెర్చ్ గ్యాప్స్. ఓకే, స్ట్రాంగ్ టూల్ ఫర్ ఇనిషియల్ సర్వే అండ్ ఐడియా వాలిడేషన్. That's about the tool. So we have learned Google Scholar, Semantic Scholar, then Conscious. Next application, next AI tool is Research Rabbit. So Research Rabbit is visualize citation network and research trends. So once in literature survey, right, only in text. I need visualization also. Our Research Rabbit helps to identify key authors and clusters who actually done everything. Okay, so for this one, step by step, sign up researchrabbit.ai, import the papers which are topic, explore citation network and papers and authors clusters, create collections, export references manually to Zerato. Okay, so like that. So open Research Rabbit app. All right, Research Rabbit app, this one, free account. Also you can create login also. Okay, the must need to be login, because you need to give the references at all. So free account, no need to pay anything. So free account. Then import a seed paper or a topic, enter a known paper, topic, author name, and whatever this one. Okay, so then you can visualize citation network. So helps identify the research communities and all. Okay, create collection for your literature survey, add papers and related works, organize topic, subtopic, relevance, importance, and all. Explore authors and papers, identify key authors in your research paper domain, track their publications, observe emerging topics, influential papers, use for networking and collaboration. Okay, filter by date and relevance, of course, as it is. Take notes and export references, right? Export citation to manually or Zerato. Okay, so research record problem methods, dataset, research results, and all. Okay, so as it is, let's see that. It is called Rabbit. So Research Rabbit, of course, I already downloaded everything. Okay, so you can do it. You can do all these things. For example, okay, yeah. So blockchain, you can do it. You can do collection also. You can do collection also. For example, I want to do, okay, I want to do what is called, okay, cancer detection. Cancer detection. Cancer detection. Okay, let me choose color, right? Choose collection. Now I want to do my own cancer detection. Cancer detection. Yes, cancer detection is there. Okay, what to do now? Nothing is here it. So then what to do? You can find library. I don't have library. Okay, so you can search. You can search what is called cancer detection. Cancer detection. So there is actually, you can start with, right, title, DOI or keyword. So whatever it is there. Okay, you can search library first. So find library. Cancer detection. Otherwise you can, okay, search itself. Cancer detection using machine learning. Machine learning. Okay, search. Yeah, rabbit. Okay, so many things are there, right? Many things are there. So around 1 to 1,95,000 something is there. This many. Okay, so then you can select all these things. Select. What are the papers you have? What are the papers you have? What are the papers you have? How many papers you have? Okay, whatever things. Okay, and where you want to save, whether it is a cancer detection, ASDML, or blockchain. So you can the library, you can save it in cancer detection. Cancer detection. Okay, so this is, you can do it. So now you can do the visualization. There are many things are there. Yeah, visualization is there. Visualization is there. Okay, so from 2018 to all these things, visualization you can give as a paper. This one clear. This is for research rabbit. Research rabbit. Okay, research rabbit. Of course, same thing, big mistakes, exploring only a few seed papers, very limited, ignoring less cited but important papers, failing to update the network regularly, not exploring reference systematically. So that is a problem. So start with multiple seed papers, regularly update collection to track new research, cross-check with Semantic Scholar and Google Scholar, maintain structured notes for easy retrieval. So research rabbit visualize connections between papers and authors, helps identify research trends, influential works and gaps, integrates well with other AI tools for comprehensive survey, ideal for building a structured literature network. That's about what is called research rabbit. So we have studied, one is called Google Scholar, Semantic Scholar, then we have conscious, then we have another one is there. What is that? SciSpace, SEI space. So okay, summarize PDF, problem methods, results, tables, figures, generates notes. So I'm okay. So I think so up to how much time I can take, madam? Hello, madam.
Sir, you can continue, sir. You can take another 20 minutes, not an issue.
Fine. Upload, write all these things, say generate summary, highlights, references. So edit personal notes and all by using SciSpace. So open SciSpace, scispace.com. So you can create a free account. Okay, upload PDF, right? Select research paper from your system, right? So all PDFs. So earlier we have done, now you can download a PDFs. So whatever it is there, so summarize your paper. Now a bulk, all papers you can load it automatically. What generates? SciSpace generates problem addressed, methods used, key results, conclusion, and limitation. What a beautiful! Aha! So SciSpace generate AI summary by reading all the papers. Okay, what a beautiful AI summary is a quick overview. Always remember, read all sections. Okay, maybe generating a summary, but you need to read it. Clear? So I think you may use size space. Where is that size space? Okay, semantics color. Okay, I forgot this. So size space. Yeah, size space. Size space. Okay, size space. So you can do it. So you can upload. So literature, review literature. Okay, write a draft, generate a diagram, search papers, extract data, review my writing, write report, analyze data. So use everything. So this is complete tool, very good tool. Okay, so based on the papers, so then you can write document, you can write PPT presentation, you can beautiful LaTeX manuscript, you can LaTeX poster, data visualization, PDF report, website, upload files, everything is there. So I'm giving it up to you. You can research, because so this is everything is there. So ChatGPT won't be there, but everything is there. Okay, so that is called size space, right? Okay. So of course you need to remember. So scroll through a paper with AI highlights, methods and algorithms, dataset, experimental setup, important results and observations. Helps compare multiple papers quickly. What a beautiful paper. Very nice. Okay. So I hope all ITAM faculty can do beautiful work. Okay. So extract structure nodes. SciSpace allows you to create structure nodes, problem statement, methods, algorithms, dataset, data as results, limitations, research gaps. Okay. Export notes for literature and table proposal. So explore references and citation. SciSpace highlights references in the paper. Click to view cited papers or journals. Identify foundational works and recent advancements. So useful for building your reference list. So, and also you can add a personal note for each paper, tag by keywords, blockchain or anything, categorize by relevance, methods or dataset. Helps in organizing large literature surveys. Export your references and notes also. Okay, like CSV, doc, LaTeX, WebTech. Okay, so maintain central database. Okay, so again, so don't depend on a summary or without reading paper, ignoring tables, figures, and all. Don't do that. Okay, not tagging or annotating papers properly, skipping reference exploration. Please don't do that. Use space together with semantics color, research rabbit. So maintain structured notes consistently. Update your notes regularly. That's all. So key takeaways: SciSpace accelerates PDF summarization and note taking. Structured notes improving literature survey quality. Helps identify gaps, key methods, and data sets. Integrates with. Just a minute. Anna. ఇంకా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్లో వర్క్లో ఉన్నా నేను ఇంకా వస్తాను. సరే సరేనా, సరేనా ఓకేనా. Okay, so that is takeaways. The final one, perplexity AI. AI powered QA engine provides how many of you knows about perplexity? I think we can remove this one, or we can skip this one, because everybody knows about perplexity. Okay, so maybe perplexity, so you can take this, also one of the very good tool. You can type everything. Okay, so then I can skip this one because everybody knows this one. So then you have so by using you can AI assisted research problem gap identification. You can take either semantics color, consciousness, or research rabbit. You can clear research problem statement for proposals or papers. Okay, so that you can write up your proposal with good objectives and motivations, literature gap, methodology, expected outcomes. Okay, so like ChatGPT has said. So then validate technical accuracy. Okay, so you can draft your research paper writing, but don't depend on this ChatGPT or Writeful Grammarly. You can write your own and make it is, because the results and all that won't give. So you can write your own methodology. Okay, get the results and all. Okay, accordingly. So you can format for journals or for proposals, reduce writing effort and improve readability. Okay, so using LaTeX AI plugins, so reduce. So my PPT is also right. It is in LaTeX, right? So if you do it LaTeX, you can reduce writing effort. Okay, so please do that. And also you can cite citation management plagiarism by using Manly, Zerato, and EndNote, and also BibTech report. So you can cite management. So then plagiarism could be check by Turnitin, Grammarly, and Pilbart. Okay, so you need to aware about AI plagiarism also. Okay, so ensures originality and proper citation and research integrity. So AI tools for data evaluation and visualization, journal section. Okay, so of course you know what is actually pandas, numpy, scikit-learn, right? You can use for ChatGPT for code assistant. So you can use visualization for MATLAB, Seaborn, Plot, AI assisted dashboards. You can select journal selection. I think I have told already. So that is essay journals using Elsevier, Springer journals, right? AI powered recommendations. So that's all. Okay, so if you want, I can also share how you can use data visualizations. So that by using Matplotlib, right? So you can write a code. So this code could be a linear line. So this code could be right. It is a clustered one. Okay, as scatter graph. Then it's a bar graph. The code is actually can get. Okay, so horizontal graph, right? It is a called you have histogram. Then there is called pie chart. So like that you can do many things, right? By using what is called Matplotlib using Python. Clear? Yes. Now open for. Thank you very much. Open for discussion, questions and discussion. Thank you.
Sir, thank you very much, sir, for your clear explanation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, dear ITAM team, I would like to invite you, if you want any clarifications or any questions, please talk with sir. Kindly interact with the resource person.
Participants, if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and then you can interact with the resource person.
Sir, we have given privileges, no, sir? Dr. Nair, sir.
Sir,
Madam.
good evening, sir. My name is Anil Kumar from Data Science.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Sir, as you discussed in previous slides from starting in this session, you told different types of literature review.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in systematic review and scoping review, how we can insert this statistical data into that format, sir?
Okay. Sir, you can take Manly.
Okay, Manly, definitely.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
So you can take that and make all the systematic review and get all those things, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Manly, I know, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you. Yes, sir. I'll share the PPT to Madam, sir, so that you can collect from Madam. I'll share
Yeah,
it.
sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, people are messaging about the PPT which you have explained.
Yeah.
Yeah, kindly share to me, sir. I'll be make it available to my entire item.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Sure, I'll do it.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Any other persons, if you want to talk with anything, kindly. Otherwise, let us
Yeah,
start for the
yeah,
lecture.
madam.
Yeah, sir, please. Yeah,
Yeah,
sir, please.
if you have time, and can I ask one question? No, it's not like question,
Yeah, sir,
right?
please,
Yeah,
please.
yeah. Sir, thank you very much.
Sir, please, sir.
Yeah. No, since we are already habituated, in fact, addicted to AI tools,
Yes, sir.
and all the dignitaries, all the speakers are telling that don't just be completely dependent on the AI script, especially.
Yes.
And can you really please suggest any kind of human AI? Means humanizer AI is there, but it is also not giving absolute results. But
Yes.
as you know very well, when it comes to the targets, as far as institution is concerned, when I wrote on my own, as you rightly told that I used to write 1 or 2 papers, scopus papers per year, sir.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, sir, it is just an edification. I'm telling you.
Correct.
But once I was dependent on AI, I produced something around 8 to 10 papers.
Great.
Yeah, and of course they are all scopus indexed.
Yeah.
Different, not only the journals,
Yes.
all categories.
Mm.
And now the problem has come as far as AI detector is concerned.
The
And
problem.
now absolutely people require any kind of AI humanizer. It means what? Humanizer AI. Any other tools are there? You just share it, sir. Not now itself. Please share it, sir. Since you are expertized in all these tools, I really expect.
Yes, sir. Tool nowadays, I think virus that is called antivirus. So, if some tool is there, then there is actually you need to identify that tool is also there. For example, A-star conferencer, right? So that is a rigorous review they are doing A-star conference. Right, whatever you means that one is there, that AI tool is actually recognizing it is copied from AI. Okay, so my paper got accepted. Okay, so this I am sharing this one in A-star conference. Okay, yeah. So that whatever it is, A-star conference. So instead of generating taking AI tool, we took AI tool for understanding concepts. So then what we done is actually we rewrote as human being.
Okay.
So instead of giving into the best example, ChatGPT. So my idea should not give it to ChatGPT. What happens? So that ChatGPT is giving to other. So my idea is giving to others. Definitely. So instead of giving to ChatGPT, maybe so we have taken everything. So then we can take some expert grammar literature, because in this one it is very difficult for even Scopus and all. They won't look at all AI checkup and all. So they will look only whatever the best things. But particularly in transactions, AI that is called A-star conferences, they will look at.
Yeah.
So better to
understand.
Yeah, thank you.
I understand. You want me to go to bricks again back. Thank you, sir.
Definitely.
That is always good, in fact.
Always
that
it is good.
Always good, in fact.
Yeah, always good. So you need to, we can take that help, but the actual part should be written by human being only.
Thank you so much, Nagaraj garu.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for your great questions. Very nice, informative questions.
Thanks.
Yeah. So shall I, madam?
Yes, sir. 5 more minutes.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Maybe due to pressure or any targets. Now people are publishing more than even 20 papers per year.
Yes.
In the recent past.
Yes, sir.
Will it be any problem in future, sir? Because there should be some limit. But now people are competing with others and they are publishing even 10, 15 papers in a year.
Sure. As an expert, I can't tell because I'm not that much talented. I don't believe in publishing 20 or 30 papers for a single person. I'm not AI. I'm human being.
Now it is happening, sir.
Then what to do, sir? They're like intelligent people. I understood your thing, and my answers also you can understand.
Okay, sir.
Sir, very good evening, sir.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Sir, very nice session, sir. We learned a lot from you.
Thank you, sir.
But now, any Google Scholar, Cement Scholar, all we go through,
yeah.
But they are asking money. All papers are not free.
Yeah.
Please comment on that.
Papers are AI tools, sir.
Papers, even AI tools. So you go to Google Scholar also. Sometimes for the papers, which we are really interested and really need for our literature review, they are asking money.
Yeah.
Papers
Sir,
are not
actually, there is actually now trending is on is called dual. One is open access, another one is closed. So even journals also doing like that. So what we can do, sir? So whichever it is there means that is not actually paper. For example, free journals are there, so they're not paid anything as authors. To access that one, definitely end user has to pay. There are papers, okay, which are actually paid by authors. So that is called open access. That freely available, sir.
Yes, sir. But especially HBR, Harvard Business Review papers are not available because that is required for our research. But it is not available freely. It is costly.
Correct. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So not free.
Yes. Not free. Depends on their things, sir. What to do?
Yeah. So one more thing. Yesterday also we asked this.
Yeah.
The journals which are original or cloned is a question mark to all of us. Then how to identify this originality of the journal? Even at the beginning you told that, but in the beginning we don't want to disturb you. Lastly, we need your
very good question, sir. Even I also want to share every time the journal quality, whether it is a good quality or not. So that is Web of Science. This one, sir, Web of Science. Okay, you can write Web of Science journal info.
Okay.
So you can take this one, sir. So that journal is whether it is a good journal or not based on this Web of Journal only. Okay. So this one, sir. You can, for example, expert system with application, right? So whether it is there, journal may say that, okay, right? Yeah, I am a Q1 SCI. So many things will be there, right? But that should be authorized. So I can also say I am also Prime Minister, right? I am also Prime Minister, but whether it is correct, that is depend upon by authority. So who is that? This is the authority, Web of Science journal info. That is recognized or not, that we need to check, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Once again, sir, thank you very much for your excellent session, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for your...
Namaste, sir. Good night, sir.
Yeah, good night, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, sir. On behalf of AITAM, we are going to be in contact with you, sir, through email. And if anyone is having any questions related to these topics, we'll be in contact with you, sir. So without delay, I would like to call Dr. Santosh, sir, to start valedictory session.
My email ID, you please collect the email ID number so that we can...
Sir, sure. I'll be sharing to everyone.
Yes.
I'll be sharing, sir.
Okay.
Yes, I also
Thank
kept
you, sir.
in my email ID, sir.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for kind
Yeah, sir
information, I'm
already
just
shared sir email ID. Dr. K. Nagaraju sir email ID sir has been shared. So participant, please note it, and any queries if you have, you can contact directly with sir. Thanks a lot, sir Nagaraj gar.
Thank you very much, sir.
Santosh sir,
ma'am,
please.
ma'am, for kind information, I mean, director sir and principals are joined, or I need information, ma'am. They have joined, or
Sir, meanwhile, they are going to be joined. They were already instructed to start the valedictory. So they are in journey right now. They are going to join, sir. You can start, please. Whenever they are going to join, they'll be
Just a
addressing the
minute, I'll
question.
come, okay? Within 2 minutes.
Yeah, okay, sir.
okay. Shall I start, ma'am? Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Please start.
Yeah, fine. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and I welcome you all on behalf of the Department of Data Science to this valedictory ceremony of faculty development program. Ma'am,
Sir, sorry for
sorry.
interruption. Can you please share that video one?
Yeah, actually, that's what I'm asking. I am unable to share unless K. Nagaraj garu stops. I cannot. I think I should override.
Okay.
I think
Sir,
host
Nagaraj,
controls.
can you stop sharing your screen, sir?
Can you see my screen right now? I have override
Sir,
option.
now you can start, sir. It will play.
Yeah, thank you. Well, on behalf of the Department of Computer Science Engineering, that is data science, I welcome all the participants, all the departments of heads and deans, and today's chief guest of today's event and resource person, Dr. K. Nagaraj garu, Honorable Principal Sir A. Srinivasarao garu, and respected Director Sir Professor V. V. Nageshwara garu. Greetings of the day, and I request all the I'm so sorry. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Clear.
Yeah, sorry, I got some noise, so that's why. So yeah, so I request the convener to give valedictory address. Sir, over to
Thanks
you.
for giving the opportunity, Santosh garu. Good evening, one and all. So we started this FDP on Jan 5th. Now today is the last day of the FDP. Firstly, I would like to thank all the faculty members of the AITAM who stayed beyond the college hours. We all aware that the college hours are completed by 4:30, and after that they are reaching the home in between 5:30 to 7. So even though they are working in the morning and in the afternoon, and the timings of the FDP is 6:30 to 8:30, so most of all the faculty were shown a lot of interest towards the FDP. So the complete success of this FDP is in the hands of the faculty members. The faculty members were shown the sincere participation. So there should be a huge applaud for all the faculty members of the AITAM. Sir, the faculty members, whatever the dedication you have shown, whatever the active participation you have shown, so which is the real strength for this FDP. And I also thank all the heads of the department for their constant support and coordination. Sir, your role ensured the smooth participation across the departments. So, and I would like to also thank the deans of AITAM for their administrative support, sir. Sir, your support helped the program run without any interruptions. I would also like to thank our principal, sir, for his continuous support and the inputs. My heartfelt thanks to the heart of the AITAM, Professor V. V. Nageshwara garu, Director. Sir, your vision and encouragement made this FDP is successful, sir. Now, I will come to the resource person, sir. I will come in the reverse order. So first, My sincerest thanks to Dr. K. Nagaraj Garu, IIIT DM Kurnool. Sir, your session on AI-assisted research for gap identification, data analysis, and visualization gave the faculty clear research workflow, sir. Definitely, whatever the tools you have demonstrated during this program, definitely they are going to use in their research work. Definitely, they are going to take it forward. Now, day 4, thanks to Dr. R. Shirisha, Madam Geetam Visakhapatnam. Ma'am, your talk on ethical practices of the research is special for the FDP, Madam. So definitely our faculty will responsibly use the AI practices in research work, Madam. So coming to the day 3, we would like to thank the resource person, Dr. Lakshmi Madam from VIT Bhopal. Ma'am, your sessions on AI assessment tools will help the faculty to improve the evaluation and the student engagement. Coming to day 2, resource person, Dr. Noor Ahmad Garu, IIIT DM Kanchipuram. Sir, your live demonstration of the Gemini tools for teaching and learning was practical and engaging. So coming to the day 1, the plenary talk, the special thanks to Dr. A. Chandra Shekhar Rao, IIIT and ISM Gamdabad. Sir, your plenary talk on the best practices of the AI tools for teaching and learning set a strong foundation for the FDP. So finally, I would like to thank the organizing team and the staff of the Department of Data Science and the co-convener of Professor K. Surupa. So your efforts ensures a meaningful and successful FDP. Thank you all. Now this FDP has the name itself, AI tools for teaching and learning and research. So for the last 5 days, whatever the sessions are there, based on that sessions, have used a tool. So using the tool, one summary report. Santosh sir, I requested you to play the AI generated audio summary report of this FTP.
Sure, sir.
Welcome to the valedictory session of the 5-day online faculty development program on AI tools for teaching, learning, live demonstration, where over the past 5 days, we explored the responsible and effective use of artificial intelligence in education and research. The program began with Dr. Anwar Chandra Shekhar Rao, who demonstrated practical applications of AI tools such as ChatGPT and Curipod for lesson planning and research, clearly defining AI as a supportive co-pilot rather than a replacement for teachers, while emphasizing ethical usage, human verification, and the need to validate AI-generated content to maintain academic integrity and avoid plagiarism. On the second day, Dr. Nur Muhammad S.K. from AITAM-CSE showcased how tools like Gemini and ChatGPT can assist faculty in teaching and administrative tasks, including generating a complete 42-hour lesson plan for a computer organization course and creating differentiated question papers aligned with Bloom's taxonomy to enhance student engagement and streamline assessment. Preparation. The third day featured Dr. D. Lakshmi, who delivered a live demonstration of AI tools such as quizzes, ChatGPT, and Google's Notebook LM for ethical assessment, research support, and personalized learning, highlighting the importance of human-AI collaboration, prompt engineering, and the transition from rote learning to critical thinking-based pedagogy, while also demonstrating interactive visual content creation using tools like Prezi. On the fourth day, Dr. R. Sirisha focused on research publication strategies, stressing the importance of verifying journal indexing through Scopus and Web of Science to avoid clone journals, using metrics like impact factor and quartiles for journal selection, and cautioning against over-reliance on AI for full manuscript generation due to hallucination risks, advocating instead for AI as an assistant to support accurate reporting, strong writing skills, and research integrity. The final day was led by Dr. K. Nagaraju, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at IITDM Kurnool, who covered 6 key research areas including AI tools for literature surveys, research problem and gap identification, project and proposal writing, research paper drafting, citation management and plagiarism awareness, and AI-assisted data analysis, visualization, and journal selection, demonstrating how AI can accelerate research while upholding ethical standards. Together, these 5 days reinforce the message that AI, when used responsibly, can empower educators and researchers by enhancing efficiency, personalization, and innovation, while keeping human judgment at the center of teaching and learning.
Santosh sir,
Thank you. Yeah.
Santosh sir, I also request you to share the video of virtual certificate distributed ceremony, which is also developed with the help of the AI tools.
Yeah. I will go with the organizer certificate distribution, sir. Next. So. Sir, they have joined, Director sir and...
We will conclude with vote of thanks message from Surupa Madam, followed by Janagan sir.
Okay. I request the
Sir,
co-convener of
excuse
this
me, sir.
program.
Sorry for the interruption. So
Yeah.
let us call for feedback from the participants, any deans or HODs or participants. Kindly share your valuable feedback because it is very valuable for us to continue in further FDPs in future.
And
any of the participants, kindly share your valuable feedback.
Am I audible, sir?
Madam,
Myself.
Please. Suresh, continue. Right.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes,
Please
thank you,
continue.
sir. Thank you very much. Sir, just first of all, I need to thank all the organizers who are working behind this vigorously for this successful completion of this brief.
Sir, go ahead.
Sir, are you done? Suresh,
sir, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Yeah, actually, sir, last one, all the kind information to the participants. Yeah, go ahead, sir, please.
Yeah. So QReport, these are actually my background is civil engineering. So I was very curious about these things like new tools, AI tools, which will be helpful for my research career. So that's why. So these whatever the sessions have happened on particularly research. So those are all would be helpful for me. So that's what. So this kind of tools, AI tools, which are used for that. So QReport emphasizing AI. These are all like which will be helpful for planning and research efficiency. It would be increased as far as my concern. So on third day, Dr. D. Lakshmi ma'am, which is from IIT Bhopal, she has presented in very nice way. Like he has introduced so many new tools for me. Like as a researcher, and we are from non-CSE background, so we know that some quizzes and what we call even notebook alum we know, but he has explained in thorough manner. So those are all would be helpful for research support and personalized learning. So even though some interactive tools like Prezi, so these are all I have noted down. That's why I can explain, I can mention all these tools. So personally, I have written in my book also. So whichever it will be helpful for my for further future research. So next one, and today Nagaraj sir explained some integration with AI integration with some Google Scholars. As we are researchers, we know this Google Scholar, Semantic Scholar, and Manly and all, but how to integrate with AI tools. So those are all which would be for new for us. So this is my feedback, sir, Naresh sir. So hello.
Sir, go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so this is my feedback, sir. Actually, I have learned so many things from this FTP. Thank you for conducting, and this should be, I think, it would be continuous learning way. As we are attending this kind of FDPs in future, also please conduct this kind of FDPs, which would be helpful for researchers and as well as teachers who are coming into this academics. It would be helpful for them also. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable feedback. So it will really give us a lot of energy to continue with further FDP's organization. Thank you so much, sir.
Madam?
So Dr. Venu, sir. Yeah, please, sir.
Yeah. If you do we have time?
Yeah, sir.
Just
of course.
Yeah, madam. Thank you very much. Since all the speakers are very younger to me, I really appreciate. It is like a reverse mentoring. I have learned a lot, and the areas covered with ChatGPT, QReport, Perplexity, Copilot, Gemini, Google Notebook LM, Wayground, and today edified by semantic scholar consensus, research Robert, AI assistant, and whatnot. It is like a dish. It's like a Subaya hotel dish. Thank you very much, madam. And we have learned very good, interesting aspects of lesson plans, personal learnings, Showman AI collaborations, assessments, quizzes, and especially research efficiencies from literature to analysis. These are all really good, madam. Though we have taken a lot of planes from 6:30 to 8:30, it is absolutely a very captive time. And my wife is asking about the AI tools related to kitchen management, and I'll have to go for that now because right. Thank you very much, madam. We have got out of all these things. Thank you very much. I appreciate the organizers for your efforts and for the contribution. And I really appreciate the speakers, madam. Thank you very much. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a great inputs for us, for the entire data science department and other organizers too, who wish to conduct this kind of FDPs in future. Thank you once again, sir. Thank you. Any other participants?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. The FDP, 5-day FDP organized by CSD department ITAM and on AI tools teaching learning was very useful and informative, ma'am. Today's session, Dr. Nagaraju sir told very explanative and well explained. Good session, ma'am. He told so many things like how the starting researchers. Today's session is very helpful for me. Why? Because recently I joined PhD, so that's why whatever the FDP is conducted 5-day session, so this is very helpful to researchers, whether you are joined in recently. And again, this FDP is finally, this is very helpful for the faculty members how to improve their how to improve their skills to develop with the help of AI tools. So this is very helpful, ma'am. Thanks for the organization for conducting this such type of FDPs, and the coordinators of this FDP. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your valuable feedback. Still, any other one?
Hello. 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 Good evening, all.
Yes,
This
yes,
is
sir,
B.
please.
Reddy from Civil Engineering
Good
Department.
evening, sir.
Really, the sessions of this FDP were
Sir.
very informative and practically oriented. Sessions were well structured, interactive, and easy to follow the faculty members. From these, I have been acquired AI tool knowledge related to various academic aspects and research aspects, like how to prepare lesson plans, how to assess the students, how to engage the students, and what are the precautions or key measures need to take into considerations while publishing the journals, etc. So finally, I thank to the management of the ITAM and the organizers of this FDP event for giving this participation opportunity for me. Thanking you all. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very
Good
much for
evening.
your
Good evening, Amma.
valuable words, that kind words towards the session. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Any
ma'am.
Good evening,
other?
Amma.
Still
Amma, good
anyone?
evening.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, good evening.
Yeah. First of all, let us congratulate all the organizing team for successful organizing such a recent trend-oriented workshop, which is useful to all the faculty, madam. Now, after covering all the areas, everybody learned so much. Myself and new tools learned. Now, you converted all the natural human beings into artificial intelligent human beings. Artificial intelligent faculty now. And total ITAM faculty became artificial intelligent experts. In future, expecting deliver the lectures in future for the other colleges, for which really congratulations, Amma. But only one suggestion I can give. You can include some of the branch-oriented experts. For example, management. Management studies are different from other branches of engineering. So if you could include such type of one resource person, that would be good. Then again, all the examples given based on computer science only. If we could include civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics like this, so that will be more attractive to the other faculty of the other branches. That is my suggestion. Remaining time management, all are excellent, madam. Very good. So once again, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your.
Thank you, sir, for the great input. And
Sir,
we'll be definitely take your suggestion and implement in further FDPs too. Thank you once again, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma.
Surupa madam, please read the vote of thanks, and then we will go with the general national.
So
Yes,
one
sir.
just kind information to all the participants, please. You may get your certificates will be shared after filling the 5th assessment, after taking the 5th assessment. Yeah,
Yeah,
please
sir.
go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. And I would like to announce one more thing. So, as already Dr. Santosh sir has been announced, 5th assignment is also there, but possible tomorrow before 11 o'clock, because we have to take the averages, attendance, everything, and we are going to be distributing certificates. So the process of distribution is we are going to be including in a drive link, Google Drive link, and department wise, with your name only we have saved all the certificates we are going to save. So drive link will be shared by Dr. Naresh sir in HOD's group or in ITAM group. So I request all the head of the departments to kindly share the link to your respective faculties. So that is the procedure we are following to distribute the certificates. And feedback link already we shared, and one more time we are going to share in your ITAM group. Thank you once again. Let me go with the valedictory speech. And once again, good evening to one and all. We conclude the 5-day faculty development program on AI tools for teaching, learning, live demonstration. I take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to all who contributed its success. First and foremost, we extend our heartfelt thanks to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Nagaraj Garu, AITM Kurnool, for gracing this valedictory session and inspiring us with his presence. And we deeply grateful to our respected director, sir, Professor Rageshwar Garu, principal, sir, A.S. Srinivas Garu, and Aditya Management for their constant encouragement and unwavering support in forecasting academic excellence and innovation. Our sincere thanks to the deans of the institution, director of diploma, and head of the departments for their guidance and motivation extended to the faculty throughout the program. We express our special appreciation to our distinguished resource person for all the 5 days, their insightful sessions, clear explanations, and effective live demonstrations, which greatly enriched this FDP. We place on record our sincere thanks to all the faculty participants for their active participation, even continued their participation till late nights over these 5 days. And thank you once again for all the faculty participants for your active participation. Our heartfelt thanks to Dean R&D Dr. Sriramulu Garu and Dr. Santosh sir, Mr. Roshan sir, Mr. Priyanka madam, Mr. Anil Kumar sir, Mr. Jayavardhan sir, and lot of other people too who acted a lot of portions behind the FDP scene. And we also wanted to thank the media teams for their valuable support and effective coverage of the program. We also acknowledge the dedicated efforts of the Department of the Data Science for the organizing committee, coordinators, student volunteers for ensuring the smooth conduct of this FDP. With this, we conclude the Day 5 valedictory session. Thank you all for your valuable time and cooperation. Have a pleasant evening. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. And now I request all the participants and dignitaries to stand up for the national anthem. On my mark, we will start. Three, two, one.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all. We are signing off the FDP AI tools for teaching, learning, live demonstration. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. We'll leave, sir.